When we just got pulled over.
Hello, sir.
Can I help you?
You alright? Yeah, just jump out and have a chat with you, please.
What about what?
Say again?
About what, sorry?
Say again?
About what?
About the fact you're driving a vehicle
Yes.
on a public road.
Yes.
So I need to talk to you about that.
Okay, let's talk.
Okay. You're more than welcome to record me.
Yeah, that's fine. You're recording, aren't
Have
you?
you got your driving licence?
I don't know.
Okay, can I take your details then?
Yeah, my name is... Can I just ask firstly why you've pulled me?
If you're driving a motor vehicle on the road under section 163 of the Road Traffic Act, you're required to give me your details if you're driving.
I know, I'm aware, but what is the reason for the stop?
Don't need to say the reason for a stop. Under
Do you not?
163 of the Road Traffic Act.
Okay.
Right, try that for me, please.
Alright, so I've just been pulled. Whew, I don't know why. She's just said under 163. I don't know if there's a warrant or anything, but...
From the very first seconds of this encounter, you can feel something is off. A simple conversation about an energy drink turns into a standoff between a confident citizen and port security, completely unsure of what authority they even have. And trust me, this is only the beginning. In today's breakdown, you'll watch how a routine interaction spirals into accusations of trespassing, drone surveillance, and even a port attorney racing down to the scene. This case isn't just about filming, it's about public property laws, constitutional rights, and what happens when officials try to enforce rules they can't quite explain. Buckle up, this one gets messy.
Look at the vehicles, oh, unmarked vehicle. Oh, man. Boy. I'm nervous, guys. I can't lie. I'm actually nervous. Oh. We'll pick it. Should we pick it back up? Yeah, please like the video, by the way, just whilst it's on my mind.
This is where things get interesting. The officer insists the man is trespassing, but still can't specify who told him to leave, a critical requirement for a legal trespass warning. Meanwhile, the citizen calmly explains that he hasn't crossed any restricted line and that the road itself is open to the public. This tug-of-war between public access and private authority exposes a common problem in port-controlled areas. Officers and security often rely on assumptions rather than clear statutes. And notice how the man remains composed, relying entirely on documented facts. It's a masterclass in knowing your rights.
I don't know how far we're going to get. He just said 163 of the Road Traffic Act.
Right, do you have a driving licence on you?
I don't have my licence, no.
Have you got any ID on you?
No, I can give you my name, though.
Okay, what's your name?
My date of birth is... May I ask the reason for the stop?
Under section 163.
I'm aware, but what is the reason? Was I
I
speeding?
need to give you a reason. Under
Okay.
section 163 of the Road Traffic Act, you're required to...
Is my car marked or something? What's going on? Okay, and I've stopped, and I've given my details.
Lovely, that's great.
Am I free to go?
Details. What's your current address that your licence is registered to? And is this insured to you?
It is, yeah.
Lovely. Wait 1 second.
Yep. He just said 163, so I don't know.
The drone accusation is where the encounter starts to unravel for security. They claim a drone is flying overhead and immediately try to link it to him, without a controller, without evidence, without even basic observation. This kind of blame shifting is more common than you think in police lawsuits involving ports, airports, and federal adjacent property. When officers can't find a clear violation, they often pivot to something they suspect. But suspicion without proof means nothing legally, and the man calls it out instantly. No controller, no drone, no operation, period. The officers are grasping, and it shows.
Clearly there isn't anything outstanding or anything. Oh man. Excuse my cough.
Here's where the legal breakdown gets serious. The officers finally admit this is port property, but they also acknowledge ports are public agencies under RCW 53, meaning the land is publicly owned. The man uses this moment to clarify the difference between a restricted security zone and a public forum where photography is allowed. He points out the lack of signage, the unclear property boundaries, and the inconsistent enforcement. This is exactly how many police-related lawsuits begin: poor communication, unclear rules, and officers enforcing boundaries that aren't properly marked. He's not just arguing, he's documenting every inconsistency, and that's powerful.
So yeah, like I say, all he's saying is, obviously if you are driving a vehicle on a public road, the police do have the right to stop you under 163. And under 165, you have to provide details. So just remember, the only time where you have to provide details is if you're in a vehicle on a public road. Obviously, you don't have to get out the car. I'll put my keys out the ignition. I'll put the window down. Remember, you don't have to get out the car. So I haven't got out the car. Under 165, you have to provide details. So I've done that. And Section 50 of the Reform Act is the only other legislation that I know of in which you have to provide details. So I've complied there. You know, stop the vehicle, provide my details. So he's saying under 163 he stopped me. He's saying that he doesn't need a reason to stop me, which...
This moment is a complete reversal of power. Instead of avoiding a trespass warning, the man requests one. Why? Because a formal trespass provides legal clarity, something the port clearly doesn't want to issue. Officers aren't used to someone demanding documentation, and it forces them into a corner. Either issue the trespass and justify it later, or admit they don't have the grounds. He's making a strategic move to protect his First Amendment activity and build a paper trail in case this goes to court. It's bold, tactical, and it catches the officers completely off guard.
I don't know, I'm going to take his word for it, but I would like to know why he has stopped me. So this is the situation right now. Everything okay? Why have you stopped? Can I ask why you stopped me?
The road traffic act, I can stop you and answer your vehicle.
You can, but is there any other sort of reason?
At the moment, I'm checking your driver.
Alright, so was it just a random stop, was it? Are they coming for me as well? We've got another car. What have I done?
Okay, you're under arrest.
Why?
You're going to have to say...
6.5 hours later.
Alright, but I'm just going to wrap this up then. Was held there for like 6-7 hours, bailed. I can't talk on the offence right now, obviously everything's ongoing, but yeah.
And then the port attorney walks in and immediately escalates things. Instead of clarifying policy or offering a legal explanation, he goes straight for intimidation, accusing the man of setting up a lawsuit and demanding his name. But watch closely. The attorney's arguments crumble as soon as the man cites Title 53, public agency rules, and the lack of proper signage. The lawyer expected compliance, not a constitutional lesson, and the shift in tone says everything. This is where the entire narrative flips. The man is no longer defending himself. He's exposing their mistakes, one statute at a time.
That's what's going on. What else to add? Anything to add? Yeah, I don't know, man. That's how auditing, dealing with police. Oh, it's tiring, man. I don't want any more involvement with police, man. But hey, listen, gotta keep chipping away, man, bit by bit. So yeah, that's what's up. That's the situation right now. If you want live updates about what's going on in the life of Coley, you know, with or without auditing, then just join the Discord chat. In the Discord chat, you'll know the reasons as to why I have been arrested and bailed. So yeah, join the Discord chat, man. The link will be in the comment. It will be pinned. Just know I am pleading guilty for shit. So yeah, we're gonna take this motherfucker to trial, and then yeah, peace.
What we just witnessed is a perfect example of why police-related property disputes often explode into lawsuits. Confusing boundaries, inconsistent enforcement, and officers unsure of the law create a recipe for conflict, especially when dealing with someone who knows their rights. From questionable trespass claims to unsupported drone accusations, to a port attorney stepping in only to be dismantled by legal facts, this encounter highlights the importance of training, signage, and clear communication. If this case moves forward legally, expect the First Amendment arguments and public forum status to take center stage. If you found this breakdown as wild as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more intense police lawsuit and bodycam breakdowns just like this one.